Hi viewers, this is Vetravel. Today we can discuss about how to configure the automatic case creation rule in customer service hub. Let's begin. Open any one of the instance and click the gear icon and choose the advanced settings. And click the drop down settings and choose the service management. In service management you need to choose the queue. Choose the all queue. So I am going to configure this queue for automatic case creation rule. So give the proper name and scroll down and choose the mailbox. Activate this mailbox. And type your mailbox, queue mailbox. So queue mailbox always should be the shared mailbox. Scroll down and check the server profile is active or not. Still there is no server profile, so we need to choose the server profile. It's a Exchange Online. By default the profile should be active. Choose the incoming email server side synchronization, outgoing email should be server side synchronization, and save. Approve this email. And test and enable the mailbox. Go to the alert section and you can see the email test mailbox is completed successfully, and save and close, and we can verify that mailbox is connected or not. So open your mailbox and check. Now you can see here the support disk mailbox is connected to the Dynamic 365. Now we are going to create the automatic case creation rule. So click the new and create the case. Give the name of the rule. I am giving the name is a case. Automatic case creation. Monitor queue is support desk, and activity type should be email. If you want, you can choose the email automatic response. I'm going to choose the case automatic response. So whenever the case will created CRM, so we will receive the acknowledgement. So create the record for the email from unknown sender is yes, and go to the basic and save. So now we have created the rule. So now we are going to define the condition. Click the new. Case creation condition. Click add row and choose incoming choose the direction equal to incoming means the record should be created. Just save and close. So now we have created the condition and activate this rule. So now the rule is activated. Go to the automatic record creation rule. You can see here the rule name is automatic case creation, status is active. So now we are going to test the flow. So go to the email configuration and see the your mailbox is connected with the CRM. So go to active queue mailbox. The support disk mailbox is connected. So now go to your Outlook and send a mail to queue mailbox. So my mailbox is support disk. Give the test case creation. Click send. So by defaultly it will take 2 to 3 minutes for creating the case. So we can wait for a few minutes. And now you can see here I have received the acknowledgement. So like that you can also configure your automatic case creation rule in customer service hub. In my instant and choose the all cases. You can see here these are the cases I have created. So automatically the case was created. Thanks for watching.